There's always struggles and things that come up that you can't predict. Chris and I started the company in 2011, and about 6 months in, we wanted to strangle each other. Every time I meet with Rick, Chris and I, our relationship and our friendship and our business bond has been closer. Rick having been there to help us kind of work together and finding that middle ground has really been a big help for us. Through all these years, guiding us has been just amazing. The company's profitable. We're growing a lot. If it wasn't for Rick, we would be part of the 96% stat. Only 4% make it is because all those things that can go wrong, and not having someone to give you a third-party view or some other advice. It could be the difference between succeeding and failing. We hired a Rick. Now we're hitting 10 years, and I couldn't imagine where we're at from these last 10 years working with him. If we didn't have him, the company probably wouldn't be around. And I really look forward to working with Rick for the next 10 years to see how much we can grow even more.
Rick has delivered a lasting change in my life, from business all the way through to discovering a better version of me that I want to be. With that function comes a better ability to be a business owner, a manager, a husband and father. Managing relationships I had with the other people in the company was a really difficult thing. Having the experience in the peer group, impart some of their wisdom, their learning, helped me through it. Every peer group meeting I leave, I say, I can't believe I didn't talk to these people before because my problem was their problem. I leave every meeting inspired to do something. It's been an amazing 10 years that Rick and I have been working together.
Rick was instrumental in helping us to make business decisions, hiring decisions, the overall direction of the firm, how the employees work, what motivates them, how to reward what some people value. It's been really big for us in office culture and how we work together as a team.
The Renaissance Group has pulled me back to things that are important, that are going to move the business forward, picking up new accounts, moving on new pieces of business that I probably wouldn't have paid attention on before this group.
Renaissance Group for me is basically a board of firsts for my company without having the burden of babysitting them, if you will.
It helped me. I came in as a general manager. I've grown to be a president, and we're an ESOP company, so I'm a major stockholder and owner of the company. Rick's peer group is strong. The community is solid. He works with good people, good-hearted, intelligent individuals. With that opportunity to work with Rick in peer group and outside of peer group, he's definitely had a long-lasting impact I've carried forward and grown personally and professionally.